Uh, Hi all, welcome to Net Experts. This is Myron from Net Experts. Right. So, so first of all, can you all hear me, guys? Can you all hear me? Am I able? Okay, thank you. Right. So this is the program we are going to discuss, guys. Right, the master program and the syllabus which we go, guys. Right, something like this, guys. Right, and it's a current trend, guys. Devops is a current trend, right? And it's a symbol, guys. Symbol is something like this, right? It's like infinitive symbol, guys. Right? Something like this, guys. Right? So here, this symbol is connecting, guys. Is connecting two different teams, guys. Right? So it's connecting a dev team and ops team, guys. So here we have the developers, guys. Developers. Ops, guys. Operation, guys. Right? Network, guys, comes under ops team, operation. Right? Here we have developers. You may heard about testers, guys. Right? Don't worry, guys. Say here, some are new to this course, guys. Some are still some are working, right? Something like this, guys, right? We'll start from very basics, guys, right? We'll start from 0 and go up to hero level, guys, right? So at the end of the course, right, once you have completed all the assignments and the practicals, you are equal to 3 years experience, guys, right? So I am sure about that. Meantime, you have to complete the assignments, guys, right? We will sharing some assignment, guys. So try to do it, guys, as much as possible. Please complete the assignments, guys, right? So these practicals help you to break interviews easily, guys, right? And at the end of the course, we will cover 10 major projects, guys, right? Right. So, guys, before we start, we go further. So, could you please tell something about yourself, guys? So, your the background, right? What you have completed, your academic studies, professional studies, right? So, could you please tell something about you guys? And before that, is something about me, guys, right? So this is my LinkedIn profile, right? Currently, I am here, guys, Net Expert Private Limited, right? I work with Amazon as well, guys, right? So, right, I have some experience with Amazon, right? So this is my profile. So, guys, please go through, right? And so get some idea about me, guys, right? Right. So This is something about me, guys. Right? Right. So, guys, let's start yourself, guys. Just tell something about you. Right? So, guys, please, anyone start, guys? Anyone start, guys? Shall we start from Ahmed? Yes, tell.
Okay. Hi, good evening, all.
Can
Can you hear me?
Wait. One by one. But one by one. Let's start from Ahmed. Ahmed, please start.
Hi, good evening, all. Can you all hear me?
Yes. Proceed.
Yeah, I'm Ahmed Razim, and I'm from Kandy. And I recently completed my BSc in computer science, and I have been working as a QA analyst. So I wanted to move to a technical related field. So that's why I wanted to do some practicals in DevOps also. So that's why I chose this course. So that's all about me.
Yeah. Thank you, Ahmed. Next one, Chintaga. Could you please tell something about you?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes. Yes. Proceed, please.
Yeah, I'm working as an associate software engineer, and I hope to upskill my DevOps skill throughout this course. That's why I choose this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Chintaga. Next one, Gamblagate. Amila.
Yes, thank
Could you
you.
tell?
Hi, good. Yes.
Yes,
I'm audible,
proceed.
right? Yes. Hi, sorry. Hi, good evening, all. I'm Amila from Anuradhapura. Currently working in the industry as a senior software engineer. That's it for all my end.
Okay. Thanks, Amila. Right.
Okay.
Right. Thank you. Next one, let's start with Emila.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Yeah, I'm also working as a senior software engineer. I'm in the field for 8 years now. So I mainly had the exposure in .NET, Laravel, PHP, and currently I have some little bit exposure to AWS Lightsail. So and I have the interest in DevOps. That's why I'm joining to this program. So that's it from
Okay.
me. So I live in Panadura.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Madisha, you have 8 years experience in software field. Well done, right? Next one, right, there's a message here. Let me check. Okay, Yunus. Okay, Candia completed HND software. Okay, fine. Yunus, fine. Next one, let's start with Indiga Ratnayaka.
Yeah, hi. I'm Indi Ratnayaka. I graduated from University of Peradeniya Faculty of Engineering few years back. So currently I'm working as a lead engineer related to telecommunication side. So I'm planning to change my career to DevOps side. That's why I'm interested about this program.
Okay, fine, Indiga. Okay, thank you. Right. Next one, Isru. No, what, right? Sorry, I'm
Sorry, I'm Mr. Navod.
Okay, now what?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I'm from Corona. Now currently I'm working as a technical analyst at 7X. Also, I like to change my career as a DevOps.
Okay. Isru, thank you. Next one, Kavinda Maduranka. Please go ahead.
I'm Kavinda Maduranga. I'm from Aturugiriya. I'm working as a data center engineer. Thank you.
Oh, okay, fine. Thank you, Kavinda. Next one, Matkava Kumar Dunga. Am I correct?
It's mother. Yeah.
Madhava. Sorry. Yeah. Madhava Kumar.
Yes. Yeah. So good evening all. I'm from Kiribati. So I have been working as a software engineer at a USA-based company, and almost now I have 3 years experience. So that's all about me.
Okay. Thanks, Madhava. Next one, Rajida Vikramasinghe. Rajida, please go ahead. Okay. Ravindu.
Hello, good evening. I'm Ravindra Sangh from Madhara. I'm currently working as technical analyst. I like to learn Devops for go to the career Devops site.
Okay. Thank you, Ravindu. Right. Next one, all done, right? Salma. Go ahead. Salman.
Good evening, all. Can you hear me? I'm audible?
Yes, audible. Please go ahead.
I'm Mohammed Salma. I'm currently working as an associate software engineer. I'm from Pune. I currently facing my computer science degree at Bolton University.
Okay. Thank you, Salman.
Thank you.
Yunus, yeah, you have done right. Okay. Shankar.
I'm Tiranma Shankar Gunaratna. I am from Alawa. I am currently working as software engineer.
Okay, thank you, Shankar. Right. Okay, all done, right? Right. All are connected, right? Right. So guys, let's start, guys. Right. Right. So DevOps, guys. So here, Dev plus Ops. Right here, DevOps, guys. So is there any vendor, guys, like Microsoft, Google, Oracle, right? No, guys. Is the methodology, guys. Right? So there's no vendor, guys. Right? DevOps. It's a culture. Right? So it's connecting, or we say it's collaborating people, guys. Right? So it's connecting, guys. So DevOps, guys. So sometimes back, guys, right? We use different methodologies like waterfall model, agile, right? So there are some issues in that, right? So it's the latest, guys. DevOps. These days, we connect DevOps with AI, guys. It's the latest update, right? So if we have time, we will learn that as well. Let's see, right. Now see, guys, so here, you see the arrows, guys. So it's arrows, guys. It keeps running, guys. It keeps running. Is there any end here? Any end, guys? No end, guys. It keeps running, guys. Right? So here, we have plan, code, a build, a test, a release, a deploy, operate, a monitor, again plan. So it keeps running, guys. So there's no end here. So is there an end here, guys? No. So this one, guys, this one we call process. Plan is a process. Code is a process. build is a process, test is a process. So this process keeps running, guys. How to accomplish this process, guys? We use tools, right? We use tools to accomplish this process, guys. Right? Say, wait, let me show you something. So here, guys, so code, build, something, right? Something like this, the process. So code. So we use GitHub, Git. We will learn, guys. Build, Gradle, Mervin, right? Test, Azure, OpenStack, release, Jenkins, Monitor, Grafana, Greylock, Operate, Kubernetes, Ansible, Chef, Deploy, Docker, AWS, guys. Okay. So these are the tools to accomplish the process. Right? Right? So the first layer is connect the teams, different teams. So we are connecting, and here we have some process. To accomplish the process, guys, we use some tools, guys. Right? That's something about this icon, guys. Right? Something about this icon, guys. Right? So sometimes back, that means when we use waterfall model or agile model, right? There are some issues between teams, guys. There are some issues between developers and operational guys, network guys, right? To resolve, so the DevOps resolve the issues, guys, right? Right. So here, so this is the syllabus which we are going to cover, guys. Some basic Linux, shell script, JITs, right? Mervin, right? Tomcat, Apache, SonarQube, Nexus, Jenkins, guys, very important tool, right? Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible, AWS, Prometheus, and Grafana, Monitor, and Terraform, guys. So at the end, we will do some projects, guys, right? So this is the syllabus which we are going to cover, right? Meantime, we will cover some Python script as well, guys. We need bit of Python, right? Right. So before we start, guys, first of all, we will learn some jargons, guys, right? So I'll share the video, right? So please go through at least 2 or 3 times, guys. Try to learn some jargons, right? And try to know, guys. Try to learn why people move to DevOps, guys. What could be the reason, right? Right. So first of all, we will see a movie, guys, right? And try to learn some jargons, guys. So how we are connect with customers, what is the customer's requirement, how we convert the requirement to technical, guys. Right? Right. First, we go for a video, guys. Right? Have to learn some jargons, guys. Right. So I'll share video. Please look at your machine, guys, not my machine. Right? This one minimize, guys. Right? So my screen, let's minimize and play the video your machine, guys. Right? So it's around 10 minutes time, guys. Right? Please watch first. Right? Right. So meantime, I'll share the video for, right. First of all, so hope you all receive the link, guys. Hope you all receive the link. So guys, please watch your machine. My screen minimize, guys. Okay. Okay, guys, let's start. Let's start. Right. So watch your machine, not my machine, guys. Hope you all watch, guys. Hope you all enjoyed, guys. Right? Anyone still watching? Anyone still watching, guys? I hope you all completed, guys. Right. So let's proceed. Right. So there are some jargons, guys. Please go through, guys. Right. The business owners, custodians, right? Approval parties, right? So, right? Please go through. Right. Right. Meantime, guys, you can see the current salary scale, right? So if you have 2 or 3 experience, at least you get more than 2.5, guys. 2.5K, right? Something like this, guys, right? Right. So, guys, any questions so far, guys? Are we okay? Up to now, are we okay? Right. All good, guys. Right. So here, so this is the syllabus, guys. Right. So we will start from very basics, guys. Meantime, so try to participate all the classes, guys. It's very important. Right. Right. And so we'll start from Linux, guys. So how many of you family of Linux, guys? So what is the purpose we start from Linux, guys? What is the purpose? So here we use some open source tools, guys, like Mervin, Tomcat, Apache, SonarQube, Nexus, Jenkins, right? So we use some open source tools, right? Right. So that's what we start from Linux, right? Meantime, guys, we host our environment in Amazon or Azure. If you want, you go for Google as well, guys, right? The trending cloud platforms, right? So here I prefer to go with Amazon, right? So later we will see how to create Amazon or free account, guys, right? So your lab practical maybe in Amazon or Azure or go for a GCP, guys, Google one, right? Right. Right. So let's start from Linux, guys. So how many of you familiar with Linux, guys? Right. So how many of you familiar? Just tell something. So raise your hand, guys. Just put the hand here. So no one, guys. So developers may use, testers may use. So how many of you family of Linux?
Familiar means I have used that, but not that much.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Right. Others? Right.
Same in Mason.
Sorry.
Same from my end. Same experience.
Right. Okay. That's fine. Good. Yeah. Put some messages, guys. If you are familiar with this, have. Yeah. Jonas, you familiar with Ubuntu, right? Right. So, Madhushan, yes. Fine. Right. Let's start from Linux, guys. Right. So, today, let's learn some basic commands, guys. Right. So let me launch a machine, guys. So you will learn these things, guys. Don't worry about these things. Yeah, there's a question here. We will learn CI/CD, guys, right? So, okay. So at the end of the course, we will learn CI/CD, guys, right? Continuous integration, continuous deployment, and delivery, guys. We will learn, right? Right. So this is the Linux console, guys, right? So here I have hosted in Amazon, right? Right. So Linux console, something like this, guys. Right. So guys, it's a CLI. So what is, yes, there's a question. Yeah. You get these videos, right? Right. That's what I'm recording, right? So here, so what is this one, guys? So what is this one, guys? Any idea, guys? What is this one? So here, guys.
Linux server IP.
Okay. No. Now see, guys. Yes, there are some answers. Just paste your answers. Yes, root. Okay. Not root, Jonas. Right. So here, so I logged in as Ubuntu, guys. The login name, guys. The login name, guys. So is the actually is the machine name, guys. Is showing IP address. Actually is a machine name. So what is at sign, guys? At sign separating the username and the machine name, guys. Actually the machine name comes as IP address. Actually is a machine name, right? Right. So then there is a double colon, guys. Title sign here. and $sign, guys. That means is a user login, guys. Right? So if you get hash, guys, if you get hash, is the admin login, right? So here I logged in as normal user Ubuntu, or we call a regular user Ubuntu. That's why I am getting the $prompt, guys. Right? So this is the current working directory, guys. So this one is separating this one and this one, guys. Okay. So we are getting like this. So here we run commands. So in this console, so it's a CLI console, guys. It's a CLI or a GUI, guys. It's a CLI, right? So this one is the GUI console, guys. It's the GUI console, right? It's a CLI, guys. Right. Here we run commands, right? So here the cursor is blinking, guys. So ls, right? A date, right? So likewise, we run commands, right? So yeah, this one is the current working directory or current working folder, right? Title sign, guys. So this one is equal to Ubuntu, guys, something like this, guys, right? Something like this, guys. That. So here we run commands, guys, right? So pwd, guys, print working directory, right? So we get like this. We get like this, guys. Right? So here, right? So this is the main directory. Under main directory, we have subdirectory, guys. Under this one, we have Ubuntu, guys. So this is the, so this slash, guys, is the main directory, guys. So what about this slash, guys? Is also the same slash. So this one we call the directory separator, guys. Second slash is a directory separator. So it's separating the home directory and Ubuntu, guys. But this is the main directory, guys. Something like this. Okay? Something like this, guys. Clear, guys? Right? Right. So here, something like this, guys. In Linux, guys, I have a question for you guys. In Linux, how directories are interconnected, guys? How directories are connected? Any answers, guys? How directories are interconnected? Any answers? Okay, let's find out the answer, guys. Okay. So look at here, guys. Look at here. CD dot, guys. CD dot. Yes, there's the answer here. Doing CD. No, Jonas, wait, right? CD dot. Any observation? Have you seen any observation? Are we getting any observation?
We directly into home directory, right? Again.
Yes, it's still in home directory, right? CD dot, right? Let me type CD double dot. Right? So, any observation here? Any observation? So when I run CD dot, no changes. Yes, correct. Right, Jonas. Right. When I run CD double dot, right? When I run CD double dot, so I get like this, right? So I get like this, home, CD dot, any changes, guys? No changes. So far, no changes. Again, CD double dot. When I run CD double dot, so it moves one directly back, right? It moves one directly back, guys. Right? That means why? Sorry. This means what, guys? So when I run CD double dot, so it moves one directly back. So this means what?
Go back to previously not or something.
Previously?
Move back to previous folder or something.
Yes, it's correct. So it's move back to previous folder. Right? Right. So what is dot and double dot? Right. Again.
Number of folders.
Yes, folders. Correct. Look at here. So let me type ls. ls means list. A list current directory or current folder. List. So anything inside this folder? No. Now see, guys, ls minus a. Show me all mean hidden directories and files, right? Hidden directories and files. So here, so anything start with dot known as hidden, guys. Right? Here we have some hidden folders and files, guys. Meantime, look at here, dot double dot, guys. Dot double dot. So CD dot means what? CD dot means what? Me. CD double dot means what? My parent. Right? CD double dot mean my parent. Right? In Linux, directories are connected with dot and double dot, guys. Right? Again, CD dot me, guys. Me. CD double dot my parent. Right? Again, cd dot, any changes? cd double dot, cd double dot, cd double dot. So that's what is a root one, guys, root directory. We can't move further, right? So that's why we call is the main directory or root directory, guys. We can't move further, guys. Now see, guys. Now see. cd double dot, we can't move, guys. So is the root directory. That's what we call root. In Linux, there are 3 roots, guys. 3 root. One is the main directory of root directory, guys, right? The login name, the administrator login name, root, right? Root login, root and the password. And root, guys, is the admin home directory, administrator home directory root, guys, right? Sorry, yes, administrator home directory or root, right? When admin login, admin goes to this one, guys. When Ravi login, Ravi goes to, Ravi is home directory. When Kamal login, Kamal goes to Kamal's home directory, guys, right? When admin login, admin goes to his or her home directory root, guys, right? In Linux, we have 3 roots. Are we clear, guys? Are we clear? Any questions so far? Are we comfortable?
Yeah.
Fine, good. Right. So something like this. So here I logged in as Ubuntu, right? I go to this directory, guys, right? pwd, print working directory, home Ubuntu, right? Clear? Something like this, guys. Right? That. Next one. So let's create a text file. So the command is touch, guys. Touch the file name. So Devops, right? So touch is a command, right? And it's a file name. There should be a space, guys, right? Right. Let me type ls. So here, the file is there, guys. What is the color? What is the color? The file color, white, right? Let me create a folder. Make folder, mkdir, folder name, CICD. So it's a folder, guys. What is the color, guys? Blue. The folders are blue in color. The files are white in color. Right. ls list. Right. Right. Minus L, guys. Long list. ls list. show me long lists minus L. L is a switch, so we call switch, right? So here, so this is the file white. Okay. So the files, so files are start by dash. File directories are start by D, guys. D directory. Only one file. Only one file. The date, creation date and time. Just now we have created. Is a one file. Who has created? Who has created Ubuntu? The user. And we have groups. Also the same name Ubuntu. We can change the group, guys. Sales group, HR group, IT group, right? Right. But here same group. So here is a folder. Why showing two, guys? Why showing two here? It's a one folder. One folder. Why two? Why two, guys? Anyone? Anyone, guys? Why two? So file is fine. Is one file good? Only one file. Only one folder, by what is showing two? So the user group date something like this. So here let me go inside this folder, guys. Yes, there's answer here. Jonas, memory allocation field, no, right? ls minus a, say dot1 double dot 2, that's what is showing 2, right? Clear, guys, right? Dot 10 double dot, that's what is showing 2, right? Once you create a folder, the kernel will create dot 10 double dot inside the folder, right? And that's what is showing 2, right? So, and the capacity, I think is the capacity bytes, right? Something like this. And we have some other, the folders and file, that's what the capacity comes like addition, right? Right? Something like this. So here, let me take this one. Okay, let's go here, guys. So here, so what is this one, guys? So these things known as permissions. Permissions, right? Permission for whom? So user, group, others, right? User, group, and others, right? The permissions. We have read permission, write permission, execute, guys, run. Wants to write any Python script or Java, right? You can run the file, execute, right? There are some other permissions, right? So these are the basic permissions, right? Read, write, execute, guys. Something like this. Read, write, execute. Right? The first portion belongs to user Ubuntu. Second portion belongs to group Ubuntu. Third portion others. So Ubuntu can read and write? Yes. The members inside this group, Ubuntu group, right? So user, we have group, others, UGO, guys, right? So others, so Ravi, Kamal, you, me are others. Others only read. Can others write? No. No permission, dash, right? Clear? So the permissions, you can change permission, guys. So this is the permission. You can modify the permission. Right? chmod, right? We can modify. How, guys? How do we modify the file permission in Linux? Yes. Let's discuss, right? So the hardware, guys, the bare metal can understand Java, guys, can understand C++, can understand Python. Your hardware? No, guys, never. So we write as a human. Yes, there's a question. Yes, correct, Jonas, right? So the hardware understand what, guys? Zeros and one, guys, the binaries, isn't it, guys? The binaries. Right? So we write Java, we write the Python, right? Right? So the machine understand binary, zeros and one, right? So here, let me put like this. So R4, W2, X1, guys. Right? Are we okay with these values? Are we okay with these values? How I driven these values? Right? So we use this binaries. Sorry, we use decimal, isn't it, guys? Okay. The file permission is like this. File permission is like this. Right? File permission is like this, guys. I want to modify the permission as like this. Okay. I would like to modify the permission as like this. How, guys? How can I modify? Look at here. Look at here. So RW, so 6, R dash dash 4, 4, right? So get the value, ch mod, change modification, put your value 644, the file name. What is the file name? We have created Devops. Devops. Something like this. Something like this. Right? So right. And now I have changed. Look at here, ls minus n. Look at the permission. Look at the permission. Are we getting same permission or different permission? Are we getting same permission or different permission? So we change the permission like this. Look at here. I would like to go like this. What is the number? What is the number? What is the number, guys? Anyone? I would like to change the permission like this. Then what is the decimal value? ch mod Devops. What is the value? Yes. Yeah, Kavinder, 764. Yes. So this one is 77421 RW 61, guys. Yes, correct. 764. Clear, guys. The how much this one? Yes, correct. 764, right? So look at here. Now see, guys. Now see. What is the file color? We have given this permission. We have given this permission, X permission, right? That's what the file color changes green. Executable file color as green, guys. So green in color, right? Those are executable file run. So once you write Python, you have to give X permission, right? So anywhere X is there, the file getting green. Clear, right? Executable file. Normal files, text files are white in color, right? Right. So far, any questions? So far, any questions, guys? Give me 1 minute. So let me stop sharing the screen, guys. Wait. Right. So the permissions. Right. Right. So we learned some permissions. Right. So look at here. Look at here. Right. So this is the Linux file system hierarchy, guys. File system hierarchy. Okay. So the root, the main directory we call root. Under root we have bin, binaries, opt, boot, root, dev, right? Some other directories like this, right? Under these things, directories are like this, guys. It's a directory structure. Windows, CD, C drive, D drive, right? It goes like that. Here is a tree style, guys. Tree style, a root, right? Right? Right. So here are some commands. ls, catmo, we will learn, guys, right? So these things we will learn. Right. So super user, the super user root, right? So root is a super user, right? So guys, please follow up these tools, right? So let's learn some more commands, right? So date, right? Current date, right? Calendar 2025, right? The calendar, it's something that we let me install this software. The calendar, the year calendar, something like this, right? Next one, W. So who? I logged in as Ubuntu from this IP address. This is my IP address, right? So here some load average, something like this, guys, right? One user uptime, right? Yeah, there's a question here. Yes, Rajit. Okay. Rajit, go ahead, right? You have some issues, please go ahead, right? Right. Something like this, right? How do I log in? SH, right? SH. Something like this. Something like this, right? the load average. We will see later, right? So who, right? Right? So I logged in from this IP address. This is my public IP address, right? This is the router's IP address, right? Sorry. Right? So here we use man commands. So if you don't know any commands, so let's type man ls, right? So man ls, you get the help, guys, right? You get the help. So ls means list directory, right? Something like this, guys, right? If you don't know any commands, man ls, man date, man rm, right? Something like this, right? Okay, next one, VI. VI is like Notepad or WordPad, right? Notepad or WordPad, guys, is a editor, right? VI. So if you want to open a file, so in Windows we use Notepad or WordPad to open a file, isn't it, guys? Just software, right? So here we use VI and VIM. VIM is an advanced version, right? You can use VI or VIM. So VIM is the advanced one, guys, right? Whatever you prefer, right? So VI or VIM or Devops, right? So let's open a file like this. So once you run this command, the file will open, guys, right? The file get opened, right? So likewise, we open a file. So if you want to write inside the file, press your keyboard, press I, right? Your keyboard, press I for insert, right? You tell Linux, I would like to write something. Look at here. Wait. Insert, right? Then you start to write. You write Python or Java, whatever it is, or it could be any file, right? Once you have done, right? A double colon, right? Save, write, Q exit, right? Once you run this command and enter, you back to your dollar prompt. Clear, guys? Look at here. So let me open a file. Devops. There should be a space. So it's a command. It's a file. There should be spaces. Right. Something like this. Now see the cursor is somewhere here. 0 L0B. Right. Let's start to write. Before write, guys. Press I. Your keyboard, press I. Insert. I. You tell Linux, I would like to write something. So it's saying insert, right? Then type something. Welcome to the Devops. Something like this. Now you have done, right? Your keyboard, press escape. W right exit. Now it's done, guys. Okay. Again. Right. Is done. Now I have done. Now escape. Press your keyboard. The escape key, guys. Once you press escape key, you won't see insert. Right? It's gone. Insert gone. Double colon W Q. Is that clear, guys? Can you all write like this? Can you all write like this, guys? Create a file and write something like this. Again. Right? I have done. Escape. Once you escape, insert gone, guys. Insert gone. WQ. Is that clear, guys? Clear? You can use VAM also. Right? So insert. So write something. WQ. Right? So guys, any questions so far, guys? Are we okay? Are we comfortable? Right. Hope you all fine, guys. So far no questions. All good and fine. Right. So guys, today we will finish bit early, guys. There are others to join. Right. So next class onwards, we'll more focus on this one. Right. So we need your participation, guys. So try to participate all the classes. Right. Each and every classes are very important. And complete assignments. Right. So guys, there are others to join. Next class onwards, we'll start 4:30 or 5. Please check with admin. Right. And we have small break around 7 or 7:15. Then we start 7:30. Then we end up with 9, guys. Right. So let me finish bit early today, guys. There are others to join. Right. Any questions so far? Are we okay? Up to now, are we okay, guys?
Hello, sir.
Yes, proceed.
Can you share the learning materials to the group?
Sure. We will share all these things, all these materials and recordings, video.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, you get the classroom, Google Classroom. There, we'll share all these things. Right. So guys, if you don't have any questions, we'll wind up it early. Okay, guys. Goodbye. Good night. Good night.